You may be at the early stages of your website, or you already have one and you are struggling to get traffic to it. The big question is always, how can I rise above the other websites in the world? Simple, link building.
Link building for e-commerce is an essential part of getting seen online. There are many ways to go about it, and it's dependent on many factors.
Starting with niche relevant posts. Go out there, use some topics that others haven't written about, but of course that are still relevant to your project. And if the competition isn't that heavy, good for you. You'll have a wider range of topics to talk about. And this means you'll be able to answer a lot of questions or concerns that's relevant to your niche, which will automatically boost your content on search engine result pages for the right readers looking for the answers.
Yeah, and find a website or a blog that has content that is about your niche or topic, and make sure you have a piece of content that would add value to their website readers, and reach out to the right person to make it happen.
Now let's talk about competitor analysis. Sometimes a website will link to another website indirectly, and they find a useful piece of content on a website and link to it if they do not feel the need to write a similar piece. Now, if these websites are already linking to your competitors, there's a good chance they'll link to you as well. The caveat is that you'll need to provide as good a value as your competitors or even better. So analyze the links that your competition has already built, and you'll want to look at the context with which they link to them. For example, did they mention 2 or 3 of your competitors on the same page because you all cover a very specific area of the market? Could be a quick win for you.
Another method is a digital PR press release. Media outlets and journalists are staples in the industry. A lot of these journalists reach out to experts or niches they're unfamiliar with when they need to verify something. This is how platforms like Haro and Quoted help journalists. Haro, or Help a Reporter Out, is a way for journalists to get feedback from industry experts or specific questions they'll write about. The best way to get included is to find relevant queries to your niche and answer their query in the most accurate way possible. You may also want to consider proactively reaching out to journalists, but if you're going to do that, only reach out to the exact right people at those publications, ones who seem to cover products or talk about topics in your niche, or if you have an angle that is compelling enough or a product that is cool enough to warrant their attention.
Speaking of cool, think about some influencer online marketing. These creators are out there, they're engaged with their followers who have already established a level of trust. And a lot of them have also branched beyond social networks and have their own websites and their own blogs. And the added benefit to working with these influencers is that it's going to help your reach. You're going to get to go far wider than normal. Social media engagement can lead to online link building, and online link building can drive social media engagement. See what's happening there? And finding an influencer that works with multiple platforms affords you more traffic sources. However, there are some things to keep in mind. Neely's going to share that.
Thank you for that. So some audiences are more receptive to influencers, while others are more passive. The right influencer increases your visibility and credibility. The wrong influencer, though, ruins it. And going long-term or short-term with an influencer depends on a number of factors. So be sure to weigh your options.
And why stop at influencers? You can also go and tap into local governments and universities. The universities and government websites are quite authoritative. And the more authoritative and relevant the website that's linking to you, hey, the better it will be. They've been around long enough and built a level of credibility, not only with search engines, but with people who visit their websites as well. If your niche or the specific resource you have is relevant to university employees, students, or local residents, they might find your content worth linking to.
The only way to rise above your competition is to create content that they haven't created or haven't created well. Then go about link building for e-commerce from relevant and authoritative websites to yours. Do this correctly, and it rewards your website with relevant, monetizable traffic. But that's a wrap. Your journey does not have to end here, though. We have over 300 videos for you to watch.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is The Journey.